Okay, good afternoon, YouTubers. Good afternoon to everybody. Today I'm going to be digging up my potatoes. I think they're finally ready. I can see them all coming out now. Look, these are these are potatoes. I mean the carrots are ready, but I'm not gonna do them today. Yeah, so I'm going to be digging up the potatoes. So now go and look for the shovel. I've already found a couple that I put in the bowl there. So I'm so happy. I'm harvesting the fruit of my labor, as they say. So I'm gonna get myself a shovel and start digging. Oh, look at my tomatoes. They're falling apart. But they've grown. There's quite a few tomatoes there, if you can see them. But I think they're too heavy. I've not been able to upkeep them. My goodness. And look at my pumpkins. Hey, look at my pumpkins. Look at that. Look at that over there. Oh my goodness. Can you see that behind there? Ooh, harvest time. It's all over the place. Look, another pumpkin there. My goodness. I am definitely living off the land, aren't I? No more supermarkets. No more supermarkets for Aisha. And look at my thyme and my rosemary. Anyway, let's start on this. Oh God, help! God. Wow! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my God! Look at my potatoes. Hello, potatoes. Wow, fabulous. I'm actually flabbergasted. I'm so happy. More, more potatoes. Oh wow, not all of them are something to write home about, but look at those. That little digger's already made me out, taking me out of breath. Wow, look at those. Wow, people, start growing your own stuff. Honestly, find yourself a fertile ground and start planting. Start living off the land because there's nothing more satisfying than this. Look at that. I mean, what more can you ask for? Okay. Is there more? Wow! Oh my God! Look! Oh my God! I feel like the wicked old lady who's got away with something. But look at that! Look how gracious the Mother Nature's been to me. Oh my God! That was one potato I put in there. One. Look at that. Oh my Lord. I could run a farmer's market now, I think. Look at that. Wow. Whew. Takes a lot out of you though. Okay. Goodness me. I mean, I can't be more proud. I really, really can't. This is the best thing ever. Okay. Look at that. I mean, really. More potatoes. Oh. I could sing a song. I just can't think of what song to sing. Look at that. This is so. Oh. Wow. And I still got another 8 to dig up. This is 2 holes. 2 holes, which meant I plant 1 potato per hole. And look how many 2 holes has provided me with. How much potatoes. That's like for every 1 potato that I planted, I received probably 15 back. Imagine that. What a great ratio. 15 to 1. 15 to 1 million. Imagine. Ooh. There's more. Oh, look at that. I just pulled this out. Look. I pulled out another bit. Goodness. I'm just absolutely chuffed. Please, people, look. I can't even tell it. You have to see my face. I don't know if you can see me. I hope you can see me because I'm so happy. Happy, 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 happy. Oh, dear Lord. Okay, well, anyway, if you have a garden or any space where you can plant anything, if I were you, I'll do it. Because there's nothing better than the great feeling of knowing, of eating something that you've planted yourself. How organic is that? And knowing that you planted it, you watered it, and the gracious sun has nurtured it, the earth has loved it, and you're about to just reap what you sow, which is so abundant. Thank you to the Lord. Thank you to Mother Earth. And I'm so glad that I'll share this with you, YouTubers. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and to always hit the notification bell whenever you watch my video so you can see the next one that I upload. Thank you, God bless, and I say ciao! Ciao! Ciao, everybody!